Make a great choice today with the 2013 Pathfinder. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, power door locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2 armrests, dual front. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.